everyone, welcome back to my channel. In case if you're seeing my face first time, my name is Shania and I'll make videos about lifestyle, hair and beauty. And here I am with another exciting video, and today I'm going to show you a newly launched product that I'm using recently and really liking it. And honestly, I see a lot of improvement in my skin after using this product. So I'm talking about newly launched L'Oréal Paris Hyaluronic Acid Sheet Mask. So it will make your skin very hydrated, plump and radiant instantly. And this is the revolutionary skincare product. It is not just fun and relaxing mask to use, it is also very efficacious because you get boost of fresh hyaluronic acid. So now I'm going to give you 3-4 reasons why this product is superior and why you have to add this product in your skincare. So reason 1, it's a fresh mix mask. It is a fresh mix mask, which means the dry sheet mask and the serum comes in separate compartments. So you can mix the serum freshly with the dry sheet mask. This helps in preserving freshness of the hyaluronic acid, which ensures that your skin gets the maximum benefit. Reason 2, the dry sheet mask is made of natural algae extract, which can absorb 20 times its own weight in water, which means that it will absorb well all the serum that you can see in the pack, and there will be less dripping, so the mask delivers more serum into the face for better results. Reason 3, it's a concentrated hyaluronic acid. The liquid serum you can see here is powered by concentrated hyaluronic acid, and the concentration percent of hyaluronic acid is in the right amount and not diluted. It can hold up to 1000 times its own weight in water, so it's responsible for maintaining the moisture in your skin, and this is what keeps your skin youthful, plump and glowy. Now let's see how to mix serum with the dry sheet mask. So firstly, fold the packet with the dotted lines like this. Now you will see little red arrow on the pack. From there you have to press the pack. And while pressing it, you will hear a sound like this. Now you can see left side looks puffy, so that means mask is ready for use. So now let's apply the mask. Now open the packet, check out the mask and directly apply on your face. This sheet mask is super lightweight, breathable and very thin, and it fits the face really well and does not feel heavy. This sheet mask made of algae, so it can absorb 20 times more than normal mask. Now leave the mask for the 15 minutes and you will get hydrated, plump, radiant skin in just 15 minutes. So now you can see my skin looks so smooth, fresh and hydrated, and also looks so plumpy and radiant. So I would suggest you to use this mask at least 2-3 times in a week to give your skin a boost of fresh hyaluronic acid that it needs. Go for it, I highly recommend it, and this is something you must need for your skin, and I leave the purchase links in description box below. And this mask is available only at $199. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.